So this is the water connector for the Titan, and then it should be connected to the main water supply here, to the water pipe. This one could be inside the wall. All you have to do is use a wrench to turn it around, remove it, and then just put the one that is included for Lux Gold.
Yeah, this one.
To the one that is inside the wall already.
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure that it will be tightened and there is no gap between this part.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, make sure that the main water line is turned off before you remove the water connector.
Don't forget to put this white stuff.
Yeah, don't forget to put, this is called Teflon tape. This is a sealing tape.
Yeah, sealing tape.
Yeah, just to make sure that there's no leak that will happen for that.